Welcome, my dear students. I am your Gilani sir. As you can see, today I am using microphone. Now it become easy for me to speak, and for you it is easy to listen. Now you will get my voice clearly. Today I am going to discuss the topic what is written here, why difficulties come in maths. So my dear viewers, I will discuss this topic today. So keep with me and study with me. I will explain so you will understand why mathematics is different from other subject like English, science, social studies. Why it become difficult to understand the many of the people. Mostly, so as you learn in English alphabet like A, B, C, D, and here in maths you learn 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are same in this way. No any different. In any language, you know some alphabets are there. In mathematics, it is the mathematics language alphabet. In Hindi, you learn ka, kha, ga, gha, ra. In Urdu, you also know some alphabet like alif, be, te, se, and many more other languages. You have different alphabets, their characters. So you have to learn. First, the basic thing is that here the all other like subject mathematics is also same, but where and how it's become different. Now, for example, after learning English, you will learn the words rat, cat, mat. In mathematics also, you learn the same way by writing, joining the 2, 3 different type of numbers like 143, 134, 123. All are different in reading, just like English. RAT rat, CAT cat, MAT mat, like 143, 143, 134, 134, 123, 123. All are different. No problem. Here also same. No any changes or no any problems. This problem came from here. Now I see for example, if you learn the word rat and cat, then in the English you do not need to operate with the words. You're not operating with the words. Like what you have operation in math, but you have in math you have 4 basic operations. So in mathematics you have 4 basic operation. What is that? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. after learning the words like English, but in English you not have to operate words, but here in mathematics you have to learn how to operate with the numbers, with different numbers. So in this way, from here it's become difficulty this starts for the children. For the children, here the difficulty this starts. How to now add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. Now why I use the ladder here? Because in mathematics this is the fourth basic operation that is going to use everywhere. If you not know the first one correctly, or say you have enough practice, first one like addition, without mastering, without become master, you go to the second one. Then what happen? There is a lack of learning the addition. Then you here also some lag behind. You also not properly learning multiplication or division. Then it will become, then will it create trouble for you, because in mathematics everywhere this operation is going to use. So if you not learn this operation well enough, and other basic thing in mathematics is multiplication table. Multiplication table. For example, it is easy for you to add 4 plus 4. Mostly children add easily. 4 plus 4 is 8, is equal to 8. But slightly when it is comes 28 plus 38, now your child will stuck and start thinking how to add this. But your child know the trick, then it will be easy. But after knowing the trick, you also need to practice. Your child also need to practice. So what is the trick to add? Learning the method of add, how to add fastly and correctly, because both are important. Correction also and fast also. So what you are reading is as 28. This means it is 20 plus 8. You also learn expanded form to break the number in addition. Like 28 is what? 20 plus 8. 38 is what? 30 plus 8. So in mind, you assume that 28 is 20 plus 8 and 38 is 30 plus 8. Now you can easily add 20 plus 30, 50. 8 plus 8, 16. Then what become? It will become 66. 20 plus 30, 50, and 8 plus 8, 16. 50 plus 16, 66. Now in this way you can add the thing easily, but you have to try different numbers. You have to practice different number, like 46 plus 54. What will happen? Just add 4 plus 6, 10. And what is 5 plus 4? 9. 9 and 1 carry 10. You can add this way also directly. Other method is like this way. Just unit digit, 4 plus 6, 10, 0. Carry 1 in hand, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. Or if you like to add in the expanded form, you also can add. Who is easy for you? It is your choice, because men have different choices, and there, so some for some children this method is easy, so for some children other method is easy. That is up to you. 40 plus 50, what is 90? In store in your mind. What is 6 plus 4? 10. So 90 plus 10, 100. So by this way you can also add. So you have to make practice so that you can easily add different type of number easily. It is no bother you or no difficulties. If you have difficulties in with first operation, if you have difficulties in first operation, then don't go further. If you go further, then also practice this and this also, both. Those keep in practice. For example, now you are in 4 class or 5 class or 8 class. Maybe your addition, subtraction or multiplication is not good enough. Then you should also give time by side along with your class course, that you practice the basic things of mathematics also. You should write by any number as your by choice. Any number you can say 143, 341, 421, and just try to add it. How you correctly adding or not, fastly adding or not. Just a 3 2 5, 4 4 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 2 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 905. This is the method of addition. Now come to the subtraction. $55 minus 3, it is very easy for any students. Just he say 5 minus 3 2, but it is become difficult if we 16 minus 7. Now many students start thinking in mind. So you have to practice a small subtraction within a second, that what will happen if we minus 16 minus 7. It will become 9. What is the trick behind it? How to solve this type of things fastly? When there is 6 number in term, or here just one number, it means it's give the number 9 always, like 25 minus 6, it will give you in the unit digit 9 and here 1. 25 minus 6, 19. You have to practice enough, like 54 minus 19, what will it give? You have to do by this 14 minus 9, 5 and 4 minus 1 3. So by doing this way you can learn solve, giving your 30 minutes or 40 minutes daily to practice the solving of this basic operation. You can also calculate it by also, like 76 minus 23 by both way. Like first way is this, just 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 2 is 5. Another way is expanded form. First we break in 70 plus 6 23 is 20 plus 3. So 70 minus 20 is 50 and 6 minus 3 is 3, 53. By this way it also comes. But you need to practice this by choosing any number coming in your mind and write it and just try to subtract it and check by calculator you are correctly subtracting or not, or correctly adding or not. There is also so many tricks. If you have to add any 10-digit number like this, then you have to keep in your mind there is no change in this unit place, it will always change the here. 225 plus 10 35. If we any ask 35 plus 20, it's come out 55. What will happen 55 plus 30? It's come 85. 85 plus 30, what is come 150. So by quickly, if you are adding this number, it means your addition is good. And if you are adding fastly, if you are subtracting fastly the number, it means your subtraction is now. I think I erase it because we have noticed. Now come to the multiplication. What's problem coming in multiplication? Firstly, the mostly student multiplication table not perfectly remember. If you ask him what is 7 into 6, they are thinking 7 1 just 7, 7 2 ja, like this way he come to 7 6. Like you have to remember table like that. You within a second you just say 7 6 ja 42. Someone asks what into 8 into 7, just you say 8 6 ja 56. Tara, what is 9 9 ja 81. What is 8 into 6 48. So when you are quickly answering the multiplication table without starting from 1 to that, then it means you are well enough in multiplication. For basic you have to at least 9 table till 9 table you have perfectly remember. No any delay. 9 7 63. 7 7 49, like that. So it will be then it will the multiplication will be easy for you. If table is not you remember perfectly, then it will create always problem for in multiplication. To become multiplication easy for you, you have to multiplication table perfectly remember, and it is better if you are to 6, 7 and 8 class, then till 19 table you perfectly remember it without any hindrance or without any delay. You answer just what is and is also division. Multiplication table also help in division. In division we divide. How to divide? If you not remember the multiplication table, then it will become difficult for you. So try to remember table first perfectly. If you want to your multiplication and division be good, you have to be good in multiplication table. So mostly the children feel difficulties in cutting the number. Why it is difficult for cutting the number? Because we don't remember the multiplication table. If you know the multiplication table, you can easily know it is cutting by 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 1 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. But it is easy. But you know that multiplication of table multiplication table of 12, then it will become more easy for you, because 12 7 ja 84, then it will become more easy for you to cutting one by one times. 12 7 ja 24, so its answer becomes 7. So how, you see here how it will be easy for you if you know the multiplication table and you remember the multiplication table. So first try to remember the multiplication table, and then we will come to the next topic again tomorrow. So here we have try to give you why math become difficult for the student generally by not knowing this operation well enough. If you know well enough this operation, math become easy for you. So try to practice in your home this operation by solving 10 to 20 maths daily. So it becomes easy for you. Hope you are enjoying now. If you like the video, then subscribe it and also share it so other students also get benefited. Thanks for watching.